Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to add a contact form to your Lovable website to collect messages, emails, inquiries, or leads, this guide will walk you through everything. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, forms are easy to add, but many users get stuck with where to place the form, how to receive submissions, or why the form doesn't work after publishing. In this guide, or in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add a contact form in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common contact form problems users face, like form not sending messages, no emails received after submission, submit button does nothing, fields not editable, form works in editor but not live, spam submissions. Okay, so now I want you to log into your Lovable account, select your website, click edit website, and make sure you are in the visual editor, not preview mode. Most forms are placed on contact page, home page, landing page. So open the pages or navigation panel, select the correct page, always confirm the page before adding the form, and click add section or add elements, choose form, okay, and insert the form into the page. Lovable automatically adds default fields like name, email, message, submit button. Okay, click on the form or individual fields and you can edit field labels, change placeholder text, add new fields, set required files, rearrange field order. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.